distance, speed, time. Let's revise the basic formula of these three terms. Distance is equal to speed into time. Time is equal to distance divided by speed. And speed is equal to distance divided by time. Let's do one simple problem. Sam's house is 39 kilometers away from his school. If he wants to get to school in 3/4 of an hour, at what speed must he travel? Okay, so in this problem, we having distance given, which is d, 39 kilometer. Time is also given, which is 3/4. And we know that 1 hour is equals to 4/4. And how's this? Let's see a clock. 12, 3, 9, 6 and 9. Now 12 to 3 is the first quarter, 3 to 6 is second, 6 to 9 is the third, and 9 to 12 is the fourth. Now, so time for this one is 3/4 hour. So speed we need to find in this one, which has been asked for, which is taken as S, and which is equal to, we have done the formula at the top, which is equal to distance divided by time. So distance, as it's given 39 divided by 3/4. Now 3/4 can be written as 4/3. It get multiplied at the top. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 13 times 4 will give us 52 kilometers per hour. So that's the answer.